Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to fix missing apps on iPhone. So let's begin right away. So there are actually two steps in fixing this issue. So the first one is to simply swipe to the rightmost part of the screen until you can see the app library. So as you can see, I have the app library right here, and then you just simply search for the app that you want. For example, I will type in Airbnb and then simply press and hold on that app and then drag it to your home screen. And then as you can see now, the missing app has been brought back to your home screen. And then for the second step, we just simply swipe down like this one and then search for the app that you want. So just like what I've searched earlier, simply type in the name of the app, press and hold on that app, and then drag it to your home screen, just like the last time. So again, just to recap, the first step is to swipe right until you can see the app library on your home screen. Search for the app that you want, and then press and hold on that app, and then now press home, and then as you can see, the app has appeared. For the second step, just simply swipe down on your home screen, type in the app that you want, press and hold on that app, and then drag it to your home screen. So that's it. That's how you can fix missing apps on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.